Alright guys, this is not a gun video. Cool gun, wife's gun. So I don't know what's in where, but... Oh, this is gonna be an hardware assembly video. I think that's a wall wart. Is this the right wall wart? If I could read, I would be able to tell you, but since I can't read, I had this. Oh, I better check I'm not slicing the wrong place. I actually got two wall warts, a little bit longer story because I'm in two different locations and I ordered one thing and whatever. Okay, oh, well here's the coolest part. This is the heart of the play that we got screws here. And I guess this means this is the official ODROID-HC1 unboxing. So this is exactly an ODROID-HC4 with a Sata port, but it's a Sata port for a laptop drive. The cool thing, so this is designed to be stackable. And the heatsink is on the bottom here, and wherever the CPU, I think the CPU and memory are up against the heatsink, so it dissipates the heat. Super, super, super cool. No USB 3.0, but gigabit Ethernet and SATA, so I'll take that over the USB 3.0. This, because it's a laptop drive base, 2.5-inch drive, is designed to be 5 volts. The HC2, which is 3.5-inch drive, is 12 volts. So I will need the screws, and we need to get down to business here. So hopefully I can successfully open this up without injuring myself. And either that's tough plastic or I need to sharpen my knife. And hopefully I don't cut through anything that's terribly important, like me. Okay. So the black is kind of like a dish, and the top lid will pop off. And I may need my glasses so I can actually see what I'm doing. Ooh, look, nice little LED right there. All right, so I'm gonna try and I really like to be able to take these apart. I'm able to get my nail under it. And all of my tools that I would, am I actually scraping that with my fingernail? All of my tools that I would use to disassemble this type of thing are not local. If I try with the back of the knife, and yep, all right. I think that's a plastic wrap. Yeah, maybe it's a thin plastic wrap. Ooh, I had a cut on me already, and I just ran the knife blade across it. So there's some double sticky tape in here, and there's some rubber doohickeys, like vibration dampening in the corner. And as I should give you the warning, this is for entertainment purposes only. Don't do anything I'm doing because you'll injure yourself, especially with a knife like that. Or the cute pink gun. Oh, and hey, if you want to see gun videos, go to Gunstreamer, flyingrich.com. All of my gun videos are over there now. I will not be posting any more Second Amendment 2A videos to YouTube because my tech videos, I think I'm just going to maintain a tech video presence there. And maybe like a vlogging presence there. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is the Hughes Compound Southern Command, which is on the northern edge of Palm Beach, Florida, Palm Beach County, Florida, and what is commonly referred to as Jupiter Farms. And that's where all the rednecks go in Palm Beach. So this is a little bit of RF shielding, and below it is the Sata port. So this is the USB 3 adapter here. Ba-doom. So all of that to show you that this slides in. Nice, nice. So we've got, I see a screw hole here. I only see one screw hole. I know there's more. I'll slide it out. I guess one and done. All right. So we have a screw hole. They give me 2 screws, and they look like they're the same length. I will grab a Phillips, and drop that in. And so that's that end, that's the end where the screw goes. And I banged the camera boom arm with my large head. Okay. Ta-da! That is the assembly. So I will program up a DietPi instance to plug this in, power it up, and we will get this puppy going.